Hi everyone, Karen here from Art and Cove, and I'm so excited because we are 1 week into our Indiegogo campaign for our brand new line of bags. We're so excited and so grateful because we are officially 91% funded towards our goal. Thank you so much to everyone who has supported us. Thank you to everyone who has purchased a perk, who has told their friends and family about our campaign, who have been commenting, and sharing our social media posts. It is so amazing. We're so blown away with all of the words of encouragement that you guys have shown us this past week and more. We're on Indiegogo not just to sort of raise money, which is a huge part of it, but we also want to hear from you. So if there's ever any feedback, comments, ideas of what you'd like to see, or suggestions on colors that you would like to see, we're always really happy to hear from you. And the best way to do that is to reach out on the comments tab on our Indiegogo page. That's just easy for us because it's public. Everyone else who is backing the campaign or looking at the campaign can see the comments and thumbs up the ones with ideas that they really like. That way we have an idea of how popular certain ideas are, which ones more people care about. And we're definitely going to be sending out some more surveys throughout the campaign to gauge what everyone is really looking for, of what colors you really like. Obviously we have a lot of stretch goals, and a few of them are new colors that we hopefully will hit, and I'm thinking really positively that we will hit them. So definitely let us know what you would love to see. The next thing we're working on is launching a referral program with Indiegogo specifically. We really want to thank you guys for sharing with any friends and family, and we're thinking of what kind of perks would be kind of fun for you guys, whether it's earning some free items or, a little wallet as a gift. We want to know what kind of items you would enjoy, and we really want to make it worthwhile for you guys, make it fun and exciting for you to participate in. So if you have any ideas, let us know. I want to wrap up this short little update with a question for you. What kind of questions do you still have about our products? Is there anything that we haven't answered in our campaign page? Because it's likely that if you have this question, a lot of other people do too. Please let us know what would be really helpful for us to share with you guys, and we're always open to making any videos or blog posts to explain things to you. We have one about the least crossbody versus full crossbody, for example, that was inspired by a question from you guys. So that is the kind of thing we're really looking for. Let us know what our blind spots are so that we can fill them in. So any sort of content you want to see, if you want to see what kind of items fit in bags or how you can use the bags, let us know and we'll be happy to put that together for you. We've accomplished so much. Thank you so much for helping us reach this goal. It's so exciting to be so far along in our goal. We've already raised more money than we raised in the entirety of our first campaign in a span of a week, which is mind-blowing. We're so happy and so grateful. So all these amazing accomplishments are thanks to you guys for supporting us. So that's it for our week 1 update. Thank you so much again for all of your support. Thank you for everyone who has shared and continues to share. I hope you guys are excited for all of the upcoming things because we're super excited for them. Definitely don't hesitate to reach out with any suggestions, ideas, or feedback. We're always happy to hear from you, and I'll see you guys next time.